Welcome back guys to my channel Easy Learning. Yesterday I tell you about hit and trial method. Today we are gonna deal with partial equation method. See, it is some pretty method. Uh, Recently in all the equations it is mentioned that the equation should be balanced by the hit and trial method. But sometimes it comes in exams that you have to do it only by partial equation method. So I am going to tell you the easiest way to solve partial equation method. See, the question in the exam will be given like this. Reaction of Ki means potassium iodide and H2O2. This is the main. Now these are the steps how you have to follow. This all will be the question. This you don't need to worry, this will be mentioned in your question paper. So the first step, you have to do step by step. What is this? H2O2 decomposes. H2O2 decomposes to give water and nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen is like this. Nascent oxygen in the bracket. It is not O2. It is only nascent, only one molecule of O. Now, going to the second step. First, we have to balance in the first step. See, 2H2, 2H2 means hydrogen is same on both sides. 2O2, 1O, 2O means 2O2 means this equation is balanced. Now we have to write this. Now see, nascent oxygen obtains, oxidizes Ki, potassium iodide in presence of H2O. Now this equation is to be written below this only, not somewhere else. Nascent oxygen obtains Ki in presence of H2O means Ki plus H2O plus nascent oxygen gives KOH plus iodine I2. Now we have to balance first this equation, this one 1K 1K, so K is I think balanced, but see H2 is here, H is 2, here H is 1, so we'll put 2 here. Now H is balanced, 2H 2H. Now we will balance K, here 2K but here 1K, so we will put here 2K. Now potassium is balanced, hydrogen is balanced. Now we have to see oxygen, 1 oxygen 2 oxygen means here are 2 oxygen, but here is also 2 oxygen, so oxygen is balanced. Iodine only 2 here, here also 2 here, so this equation is balanced. Now the main part comes. We have done these both. Now see the thing written here. If it is same on the first equation product side, we have to cancel. Means we have to cancel what is on opposite side. Here H2O, cancel it because here H2O is also given. Here nascent oxygen, cancel it, cancel it. Now all the things written on the reactant side, this plus this, we have to write it like this. 2Ki plus H2O2 will give all this product side, reactant side is complete. Now all the things written on the product side, 2KOH plus I2. This is a balanced equation. You don't need to balance it, you don't have to put. If you have balanced these both first, okay, so this is a balanced equation. I am going to tell you once more. See, this will be the given question and this all thing. This all will be given in the question. Don't need to worry. You will be given all these. You have to just follow the step. You have to first make this reaction as I have made. H2O2 decomposes to give water and nascent oxygen. Then you have to see first it is balanced or not. If it is balanced, well and good. And then it first, if not balanced, so you have to balance it by only hit and trial method. Now the second one, nascent oxygen obtains oxidized Ki, potassium iodide in presence of water to give KOH and I2. Now as I have tell you, then balance this equation. Now the things on the opposite side, H2O2 is complete here, here also, so cut this, no need of this. O nascent oxygen, nascent oxygen. Do not cut if H2O2 is given here and H2O2 is given here. things on same side should not be cut, but things on the opposite side should be cutted. Now H2O to cut, O to O cut. So the equation becomes, now all the things written on the reactant side means left side, write on left side, and all the things written on the right side, write on the right side, and this is a balanced equation. You don't need to balance it. If you find that I have done something wrong, you first see that the final equation is balanced. If it is not balanced, you have made somewhere mistake, or if it's balanced, then it's well and good. So guys, one more example to make you clear about partial equation method. See, oxidation of lead sulfide by ozone. This is the main equation. Now what was the first step? This. Now we have to follow this. Ozone decomposes to give molecular oxygen and nascent oxygen. So first step, ozone. Ozone formula is O3. Decomposes to give molecular oxygen means O2 plus nascent oxygen. Now we have to first balance this equation. As you can see, 3 molecules of oxygen, and here also 2 plus 1 3. So this equation is balanced. Coming on to second equation. O then oxidizes lead sulfide to lead sulfate. O means nascent oxygen, then oxidize lead sulfide. Lead sulfide, formula of lead sulfide is PbS plus nascent oxygen to give lead sulfate, PbSO4. Now what we have to do? We have to balance this equation. Number of O is 1 here, so we will put 4 here, because there are number of oxygen is 4. Here also it is 4. Pb1 1, S1 S1. So this equation is balanced. Now what we have to do? We have to cancel what is on opposite side. Cancel. Here we will cancel this 4 and write here 3, because there is only 1 and there are 4. If we cut 1 here and 1 here, so what will be left here? It is finished, but here will be left 3. So we will do it like this. Now the full equation will be what I tell you, that write all the things on the left side, on the reactant side. PbS plus O3 plus 3O. So what are all these reactant side? Left side, left side, left side. All the things I can on left side. Now all the things of right side. PbSO4, first the big right we have to tell. O2. So this is the balance equation. Now we have to confirm that it is balanced or not. Number of Pb 1, number of Pb 1, number of S 1, number of S 1, number of oxygen 1 2 3, 3 here, 3 here, total 6 here, 4 here, 2 here, 4 plus 2 6. So this is a balance equation. So guys, I have tell you about partial equation method. Try to solve as many examples or question you can solve, because it is very tricky method. It needs just some concentration and the equation will be solved. It is easy much more than the hit and trial method. So please practice. So watch my video, is very helpful to you. Please like all my videos and subscribe my channel Easy Learning. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.